I finally got to a point, I was 60 at the time that I had the knee replacement, so finally got to the point where I was gaining weight, I was slowing down, I'd pull up to my driveway, my parking place at work, and I'd sit there for a minute and think, okay, I have to walk from here into work, and it's not even that far. So it was just, I'd have to sit there and muster up the energy to get into work, and over time, you get to a point where it's like, I've just had enough of this, and I don't think I have to live like this. So I found out about Dr. Eggert from my uncle. He had his hip replaced from him. He said, you gotta talk to this guy. You're really gonna like this guy. Well, in 5 minutes I was sold. Dr. Eggert talked to me, he listened to me. He asked me what I wanted, and I said, I have two things. I want both knees done at the same time. He said, fine. And I said, I don't want to be out of work for 8 weeks. And he said, you can be out of work for as long as you want, and you can go back when you want. We'll work together on that. So it was awesome. Just the give and take and the clear dialogue. That's exactly what I was looking for. So when I heard Dr. Eggert's name from my uncle, he had the robot assisted for his hip, I believe. But I studied their website, and it's central on their website, and I did a little bit of research just nationally and understood the trends. I came in wanting the robot, so that's one of the reasons I came here. Dancing is something that I did for 3 years up until about a year and a half before the surgery, and I stopped because it hurt way too much. So last night, actually, I went back and contacted my dance instructor, went back, and he kept looking at me, he kept saying, you're moving so good. I had one knee that wouldn't even straighten up all the way, and he used to be like, why won't that knee straighten up? And so he kept looking at me like, man, you're moving good. I'm like, I don't hurt, nothing hurts. Everything bends the way it's supposed to now, and it was awesome.